our project was basically making an alarm system for detecting things that are near the alarm system to send a message towards any users about things like home invasion and stuff like that. So the way we set it up first is we got the package over there, which sent us a lot of Arduino basics, including this Elegoo. The way we set it up is we connected this ultrasonic sensor to it. We connect the ground to the ground, the VCC to 5 volts, and the Ecker and trigger pins, which are for these two, to outputs 10 and 11. The way this ultrasonic works is one of these two sends a high frequency sound outward, and the other one receives the signal because waves bounce back, right? That's how this whole setup was made. And if we come over here to the code, as you can see here in the Arduino script, it's all the basic stuff. And where it's more important here, this just gets the stuff from the ultrasonic sensor. And here's where the code happens. We get the output of like everything that's close. Then we calculate the distance, and then we check if the distance is X amount. This amount can be changed. And then we'll send an alert to the user, which tells them that something invaded their home. And the reason why we put this if statement is because it sends out a high frequency sound. Sometimes waves can be disturbed by different things. For example, if things are too far, or if walls make the sound waves bounce back in weird or awkward angles. And sometimes because of that, it'll give no values like 0. So this is kind of an error checking. So that's why you have this if statement. Once something is detected and we have an alert signal, this script over here is basically the bridge between where we send the message to, and yeah. So we're sending it to a Discord group, and this message that it sends is this: alert, an object has da 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 da. And what's basically saying is, if this trigger word happens, alert, then we will send this message toward the Discord. And if we want to replace this alert with anything, then we would also have to replace it here. But it doesn't really matter too much because this is the message that will be sent to the Discord. And now we're gonna show live how it would actually work. So we run the script, it listens for alerts, and it receives the data over here. And then when I put my hand over it, over here, as you can see, the distance was around 10. And so it sent an alert and it stopped the program. And over here, as you can see, it sent an alert message, and you can check the time that it's 6:51. And it also sent it to my phone as well because it's a group chat. And you can see that the time is 6:51. And yeah, that's basically how it happens.